Hello, good morning students. Today I will start Lines and Angles chapter 6 for class 9th. And in this chapter, in previous class, you learned about lines and angles. Theorem you have to prove, theorem 6.1. And few questions here I will guide you how to solve that question, exercise 6.1. If two lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. अगर ये दो लाइन एक दूसरे को इंटरसेक्ट करे, ए बी लाइन एंड सी डी लाइन इंटरसेक्ट ईच अदर एट ओ. ए बी एंड सी डी लाइन्स intersect each other at O. To prove this angle is 1, this angle is 2, this is 3 and this is 4. Then to prove 1 is equal to 2, angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle 3 equal to angle 4. Okay. Proof. First given to prove and proof. There is no construction. इसमें कोई कंस्ट्रक्शन नहीं कर रहे हैं, इसलिए कंस्ट्रक्शन हम नहीं लिखेंगे, कंस्ट्रक्शन का ज़रूरत नहीं है. एंगल 1 प्लस एंगल 3 इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? 1 प्लस 3 इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? सी डी लाइन, ऑन सी डी लाइन ए ओ अनदर लाइन. So A1 and 3 is pair, linear pair. 1 and 3 is linear pair and sum of linear pair is what? 180. Linear pair axiom, this is called linear pair. Angle 3 plus 2, see 3 plus 2, this is also linear pair. 3 plus 2 is linear pair and this is equal to 180. Number 1 and this is number 2. Since both are 180, so therefore this equal to this. Angle 2, 3 cancel out, so therefore 1 is equal to angle 2. This 1 equal to 2, hence proved. Similarly you can solve other. Similarly 3 plus 2 is 180 and 4 plus 2 is 180. 2 cancel out, 3 equal to 4. Similarly we can show 3 equal to 4. Proved. Now your homework is example 1, example 2, example 3. I am going to start. मैं शुरू करने जा रहा हूँ exercise 6.1. Just like this, line AB and CD intersect at O. If AOC, this angle, and BOE, this angle, this plus this is 70 and this BOD is 40. This is 40. Find BOE. Separately you have to find. Sum of this is 70. What is this? You have to find this. And reflex of COE. Reflex of COE is here to here. इसका सम है 70. तो ये कितना है ये पता लगाना है. 2, 3 and this is 4. Given 1 plus 3 is equal to 70. 1 plus 3 equal to 70 and angle 4 is equal to 40. Since 1 plus 3 is equal to 70 and instead of 1 we can write 4 because of vertically opposite angle. So 4 plus 3 is equal to 70 and you know 4 is 40 or 40 degree plus 3 is equal to 70. So therefore 3 equal to 70 minus 40. 70 minus 40 is equal to, this is 30 degree. So angle 3 is equal to 30 degree. Okay. Now you have to find 2. So since 1 plus 2 plus 3 is what? Now since 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to what? 180. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 180. Or 1 plus 3 is what? 1 plus 3 is equal to 70. 70 plus 2 is equal to 180. Or angle 2 is equal to 180 minus 70 is equal to 110. Reflex angle 2 is equal to 360 minus. Thus we get reflex angle 2 or reflex angle COE is equal to 250 degree. given angle POY is equal to 90 degree and A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3. So therefore A is equal to 2x and B is equal to 3x. Since A plus B is equal to 90, because angle POY is equal to 90 degrees. So this is 90, hence this is 90, so therefore this is 90. A plus B, this A plus B is equal to 90. So therefore 2x plus 3x is equal to 90, or 5x is equal to 90, or x is equal to 90 by 5. Okay, so therefore angle A is equal to 2x is equal to 2 into 18 is equal to 36 degree, and B is equal to 3x is equal to 3 into 18, 54. We get A and B. So find C. You have to find C. Where is C? This is angle C. This is C. B plus C is what? This is linear pair. So B is, you got B is equal to 54. Then 180 minus 54 is C. Similarly, you can solve question number 3. These questions are very easy. I will guide you here. If this is x, then this is x. Let this is x because both angles are equal. दोनों एंगल इक्वल है इसलिए x मान लिया. अब ये दोनों को इक्वल प्रूफ करना है तो इसको y और इसको z मान लिया. ठीक है. अब हम देखते हैं टू प्रूव y इक्वल टू z. सिंस x प्लस वाई इज व्हाट? x प्लस वाई क्या होगा? 180. लीनियर पेयर. You can write here linear pair. So y is equal to 180 minus x. This is number 1. Similarly, x plus z is what? 180. So z equal to 180 minus x. This is 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, this side is equal. So therefore y equal to z. Similarly, you will solve question number 4. Given x plus y is equal to w plus z. AOB is a line. Is equal to what? 360. This is complete angle. X plus y plus w plus z. This is complete angle is equal to 360. Or x plus y, and you can write z plus w. Z plus w is x plus y. X plus y is equal to 360. Or 2x plus 2y is equal to 360. So therefore 2 common, x plus y is equal to 360. उसके बाद x plus y is equal to what? 360 by 2. This equal to 180. Since x plus y is 180, since x plus y is equal to 180, so therefore AOB is a line. Thus we finished exercise 6.1 for you. इस प्रकार हमने 6.1 कंप्लीट किया. अब आपका काम है कि आप 6.1 एक्सरसाइज कैसे करते हैं.